In previous lecture, we already discussed about the grammar. So grammar is nothing but a group of 4 tuples. So these are the variables, these are terminals, then starting symbol, and these are the production rule. And we also derive the one string from this grammar. So I repeat that one, triple A, triple B. So first I take a starting production, that's a starting symbol is S, so that it's a first production rule we have to use. Then this A is replaced with a small a, capital A, small b, means production number 2. So we get this string. Then again this A is replaced with a small a, capital A, small b. Then dissolve this A by using this epsilon, so we get the complete string triple A, triple B. So this process is called as a derivation. Derivation having a two types, leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Derivation having a two types, leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. For more understanding, let us consider one example. We have a one grammar in which S, A, B are the variables. Then small a and small b are the terminals, and the production rules are, these are the production rule. By using this grammar, we want to derive this string AB. So there are two ways. So S gives AB, this is the starting production, then just A is replaced with the small a, then B, then again this capital B replaced with the small b. Then second one derivation is like this, AB, then just I replace the capital B with a small b, then this capital A is small a, and then I get a AB as a product. So what is the difference between these two derivations? So in this derivation, I first replace the leftmost symbol of right side, so that this is a leftmost derivation. Leftmost derivation. If I replace the rightmost symbol of the right side, then it's called as a rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation. And for this derivation, we can represent by using the tree, that's a derivation tree. So this is a S, then from the S I derive A and B, then A is replaced with a small a, so and B is replaced with a small b. So these leaves node are my product, and when I read left to right, so I get a string AB. Similarly, for right most derivation, we can draw this tree as gives AB, then B is replaced with a small b, then A is replaced with a small a, then I get a leaf node as a product. Then when I read from the left to right, I get a AB as a string. So this derivation tree, and this one is a leftmost derivation tree, and this one is a rightmost derivation tree. So this is about a leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. So let us consider the one example. So I have one grammar. This grammar contain the VTPS, variable terminals, production rules are there. Then these are the production rule. I want to find the leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation, then derivation tree for this one. So just first I arrange this production rule in serial manner, first, second, third, fourth, 6, 7, 8. Then I have taken one string, triple A, double B A, triple B A. So when I write the leftmost derivation, so just I observe the left hand side of a string. From left to right I have observed the string and solve this one. So I have first alphabet of this string is a So by using the one of them, means these are the two production in which starting symbols are there. So I need the first A, means I use the first production rule. So as gives AB. So this one is a first rule. Then just I replace this B such that the string second string will be A, so that I use that ABB. Then again I replace this B such that third string should be A, so that again I repeat that rule. Then similarly for just I replace this B with a single B because I want fourth alphabet as a B, then fifth alphabet as B. Then again I want a next alphabet as a, so that I use this one. Then again this B is replaced with a B, then again B is replaced with a BS because I want last in A, so S is replaced with a A, then again BA, and by using rule number 2 and then A. If you practice this one now, so you automatically get this sequence, and from this sequence we can draw this tree. So this is first rule, as gives small a capital B, so I apply here. Then for replacing a B I apply the 8 rule, so ABB is there. Then this is the leftmost B, so again here I apply the 8 rule, then I get this ABB. Then again this is the leftmost, so just I replace this B with a small b by using rule number 6. Here rule number 6 is there. Then again this is a 6. Then again this one is the next B, so apply here rule number 8. So that's B gives small a capital B. Then again here apply the rule number 6 by replacing this one. Then here again apply the rule number 7. Then again here just all B's are means BS, and then this B is replaced, S is replaced with a BA by using the rule number 2. Then I get this one. Then this A is replaced with a A. I think it's a little bit confusing, but if you practice and if you concentrate on the slide, then you can understand very well easily. So just check out this one, 1 8, then again 8, then 6, then again here 8, then 6 7 2 3. So just I write the rule number on that road I have applied. So this is a leftmost derivation, and this is a leftmost derivation tree. Then for the rightmost derivation we can write this derivation. We have used the same manner, we observe the string always left to right as well as right to left. So this is a little bit confusing in the rightmost derivation. So just observe that I want a first string as first alphabet as A, and that next alphabet be maintained, and you should maintain the rightmost alphabets also. So just B is replaced with a B by rule number 8. Then here also on this B rule number 8 is applied. Again for this one rule number 7 is applied. Then for this one rule number 2 is applied, and for this again rule number 3 is applied here. Then we have replaced this one by using rule number 6, and then again this one is the last B. Then we want to expand this one because I want a third alphabet should be a, so there is a rule number 8 only. So apply the rule number 8 here, I get this one. Then replace this one by B then again this one by the B by using the rule number 6. So these are the rightmost derivation, and similarly just we have to write down the rule number for the rightmost derivation tree. So first rule I applied, then I get this one, then here I apply the rule number 8. Then for this one rightmost is there na. For this one we applied the rule number, again 8 is there, then 8 create this 3 string, and again rightmost is this one, so we have applied the 7. Then again for this one we have applied the rule number 2, and then rule number 3 is there. So which one is the right now? If we travel, then this one is the rightmost. Then here we have applied the rule number 6. Then if you travel here, so there is this one is a leftmost. Then here we have applied the rule number 8, then we get this one. Then here we have applied the rule number, again we have travel here, depth first search, and then we get this, apply the rule number 6 here. This one is a rightmost, rule number 6 is there, and the node is completed. We have read this string, so we get the same string. So this is a rightmost derivation. So in the rightmost derivation you have to just care about the leftmost as well as rightmost terminal, leftmost symbol and as well as rightmost symbol. Then you have get this series. If anything wrong at a one step, then you just backtrack and then again start the next part. So thank you for watching this one. Thank you so much.